Hey everyone, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow tutorial using the Colourpop Sweet Talk palette as well as a Supershock shadow in the shade Bubbly. I do this look every once in a while and I think it's just really pretty, so I thought I'd do a tutorial for it. And as usual, I've already primed my eyelids, so let's get started. I'm going to start by taking the shade Dream Maker and using that in the crease. Next, I'm going to take the shade Feel Free and put that in the outer corner and lower crease. Next, I am going to take a little bit more of Dream Maker and just blend. Next, I'm going to use my finger and the shade Bubbly. This is a Supershock shadow. I'm just going to put that all over the lid. I will probably need to add another layer and then I will be back. And for the lower lash line, I'm going to take the shade Feel Free. There isn't really a shade I would like to use for the inner corner from the Sweet Talk palette, so I'm taking the You Had Me at Hello palette and the shade The Knot and using that as my inner corner highlight. You can really use any inner corner highlight. And the last step is to apply mascara. Today I'm using the Essence/Princess False Lash Effect mascara. I'll do my lower lashes, then be back. So here is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I just love this look and I hope you like it too. If you would like to see more makeup and some nail videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!